So come to Target with me as I look for bins for my embroidery supplies. I'm looking for the Bright Room stackable bins that are 12 inches long by 6 inches wide by 4 inches high. And it looks like there is a sale on them today. They're normally about $6 and they're on sale for $4.80. So I always stock up on them when they are this price. I love that you don't need lids for these because they just stack on top of each other. And I'm going to show you now how I use them in my studio. Well, I'm back from Target and you can see that I am single-handedly probably the one keeping Bright Room in business. Let me show you how I use these bins. Welcome to my studio. I think it is only fair to let you know that I haven't bought all of these bins at once. I have bought them gradually over time, and I keep buying them when they're on sale because I'm afraid that one day they're going to go out of stock and I won't have anything that matches what I currently have. So I'm going to take you on a little tour. First of all, this is a Billy bookcase and from IKEA. So you can see how they fit on the Billy bookcase. There is a slight overlap if you look at the edges. You can see that they hang off a tiny bit from the side. It's not super noticeable. And I think that they fit really well on the Billy bookcase. There's not exactly room for five to fit all the way across. So you can see that I just have books. Right there, I have space for more someday. Right now, I just have my Yazzie iron bags there. So let me show you what's in each one. So I like these for storing my threads. So along here, these are my Weeks Dye Works threads. I have them sorted out by color. It works really well because if I'm working on a project, I can just grab one bin and find the right color that I'm looking for. I've done the same thing here with my Eleganza pearl cottons. These are my Allison Glass colors and then just my neutral colors here. In these, I have, because I do so much embroidery that is um, mixed media and thicker threads, I have some yarns. I've got my Aurifil spools, and then I have just random trims and laces that I keep in here. I have my Rainbow Gallery threads, my thread gatherer threads, some JP coats and any DMC I put in here. And then I have my needlepoint yarns, my Weeks Dye Works, the pearl cottons. These are my Appleton's wool threads. And then I have, sorry for the glare, it's nice and sunny out today. I have my DMC, the cotton rudders mat that I always talk about. I have had to move to 3 bins for that because I have so much and I needed to sort them out by colors. And the same with my tapestry wool. I've done the same thing. It's sorted out by 3 different colors. Moving further down, you can see, I'll show you how. So these are my Wonderfill wool circles that I keep in here, just sorted out by color, but they fit perfectly in here. You can see from the side all the colors that I have. I have more yarns. This one is all of my rickrack and trim, more decorative yarns. So these are really, really great for sorting embellishments and threads out by color. It makes my work so much simpler when I can just grab one of the boxes with the colors that I need and get started. So now let me show you how I use them for beads. So this is another shelf. It's not one of the Billy ones. This is a more decorative one that I did end up getting at Target. I needed something to hold supplies. So the 3 bins that I just got are going right here where my pretty little vintage tins are going to go. I just have so many beads that I need to store. So you can see up here, I've got my Hishi beads. I've got my John bead, the larger seed beads, lots of decorative beads. I have them sorted out by size and I also have some of the larger bright room bins that I use for my needle felting supplies. So there's all of my wool, and then the smaller trays are tucked above that, just with my needle felting supplies. So then I have more of the bins right here. And then these are two, they're also bright room, and they are storage trays. I can list the exact name for those in the comments. But this is where I have sorted out my beads by color. So you can see, I don't want to mess them all up, but there are all my colors. These are my seed beads that are size 8. So because it's a size that I use a lot, I keep them all right here with all of the different colors sorted out. I just love these bins though for organizing types of beads. So there I have all of my sequins and beads kits. Here I keep all of my bugle beads. These are just, they're sturdy, they stack. I love that they also stack on these dividers. And aren't they so pretty? I like seeing my supplies. I feel like I use them more when I see what I have, when I can see the colors, and it just makes me excited to use my supplies. So that is my studio. That is how I organize a lot of the supplies that I use every day. So now run to Target, grab some bins, and start organizing your supplies.